Ang buhok ko, grabe. Anyway, good morning guys. And today is Saturday, September. Ewan ko anong September ba. Basta anyway, today is Saturday and day off ko. And I've been really working the whole week. And I also got a bit sick, but not corona sick. But just like tired. Kape muna tayo. Yes, so Saturday day off ko. I'm so happy. Kasi ang bahay sobrang dumi na. And I need to clean this house. I got the whole day to do it. And madami din ako mga damit na, na nalabhan na ni Martin. Tapos, ako yung mag-a-iron. Tapos, ako yung magtutupi. Pero si Martin yung naglaban. He's not at home. Kasi he's in the tiny house namin. And they're building it right now. And I will show it to you later on na gagawa ako na isang playlist na yung pagiba ng dating tiny house tapos pag-rebuild, ganyan. And ngayon, ano na siya guys, it already got walls. So I think they're gonna be done soon. But of course, yung pagpapaganda talaga yung sa loob, yung mga interior thing, it's gonna take a very long time. But at least now may foundation na siya. So yon. Ang suot ko pala ay parang Christmas. Binili ko to the other day, guys. Sa pinagtatrabahuan ko, and it was on sale. So, binili ko siya, and I think it's perfect. Kasi kahit Christmas yung design niya, ay, ito, I mean, it's perfect for this season kasi nagano na, it's starting to get cold. So, yun, and ano talaga ako, maginawin ako, guys. Oy, yung asawa ko, nagko-complain na parang, oh, it's warm or something, we have to open the windows because you feel warm and all that. Pero sa akin talaga, I always feel cold. Kaya gusto ko yung mga ganito, guys, kasi I feel really warm. So yun, umalis siya, mag-isa lang ako dito, and it's, anong oras na ba? It's 10 in the morning. And I'll have to drink my coffee, and right after that, ay maglilinis ako dito. So it's gonna be a productive day. Hindi lang yung nakaupo kasi minsan talaga pag day off ko, may time talaga na, the whole day is I lay on the sofa and watching Netflix. But today hindi ko gagawin yun. I have a goal. Char. No, but really, I have to clean the house and I have to, there's so much clothes. Alam mo yung IKEA bag na yung blue na malaki? There are 4 of them na puno ng mga damit, and I need to look at it and put it in the right way, iron them, all that thing. Yes. Yes, bakit ako yes? Anyway, so yun guys, ang update dito sa Denmark ay, may corona pa rin, obviously, the whole world may corona pa rin. And actually, sa nabasa ko sa news, medyo dumadami-dami ng konti yung may corona, and even at work, because it's been going on for so long, people actually tend to, how do you say it? Like parang they get used to it, that they don't do all this wash of hands anymore. They don't do all this hand disinfectant thing. So yun. So we got reminded again because I work in the shop, and there's so much people every single day coming in and out in the shop, different people. So we got reminded again that it's so important to continue, keeping distance, wash hands if you can, or use an alcohol, things like that. Kasi naman, it's been going on for so long, and people, I think, get tired of it already. Like, they just wanna live their life normally again. Ano ba nangyayari sa sofa na to? Wait lang. Yeah, so people wanna live their life normally again. But then, sa mga transportation, I mean, public transportation, bus, train, yung mga ganon, you have to wear a mask na. And it was implemented last month. Last August. Mga 2 weeks in August, it was implemented. And I forgot about it, guys, that I actually lined up in the bus, and I was like, okay, everybody's wearing mask, and I didn't have mask with me. And I was about to get in the door, and then I was thinking, okay, maybe they will not notice me. I'm small. Everybody's tall and big and all that. So maybe they will not notice. But then as soon as I almost get into the bus, the driver said, you need to have mask. Um, or else if there will be, police inspection and all that thing, I might be able to fine 2,500 kroner. That's a lot of money. So what I did is, okay, so I went back to the mall, bought a mask. It was like 10 pieces for 30 kroner. Yeah. So I paid 30 kroner. There's 10 pieces in it. So yun. But then yung bus dito guys, they go by schedule. Hindi yung parehas sa atin sa jeepney, parang darating na hindi. So yung bus dito at that time, there's only bus twice in 1 hour. Ganyan. So I took the next bus. I had to wait like half an hour more. But it's fine. I don't want to pay 2,500. My gosh. So, yun yung aming ganap dito. And then, yeah, people are still living, I think, normal. But of course, you have to take extra precaution. But it's like almost everything. Everything is open here. Restaurants, malls, ano pa ba? Yeah, movie houses, ganyan, open siya. Pero may mga extra, pa rin, chorba-chorba. And we have to follow for our own safety. So, yun. My God, ang dami kong gagawin na. Thinking about it, na-stress ako, but I really have to do it. And after my coffee, I think I'm gonna have breakfast. And gusto ko mag-rice today for breakfast kasi I've been so busy lately na yung mga kinakain ko talaga mga pan-pan guys. Mga bread. So, yun. Yun yung gagawin ko. And hindi na pala ako ganun talaga ka-active dito sa YouTube kasi nga sobrang busy ko talaga. But then last night I actually uploaded a video. It was like question and answer portion with my husband, and that video has been in his phone for I don't know 2-3 weeks, and yeah, I just uploaded it last night. It was okay. Yung kape ko guys ba, it was Martin who made it, and I forgot that he made it, kaya medyo ano na siya, malamig na siya, but I wanna drink it because he made an effort, you know. Pero yun yung ginagawa niya sa akin every morning guys, is making coffee. And even if yung on my way to work, wala na akong talagang panahon to drink coffee here at home kasi nga ano bang tawag nun? Yung alam mong nag-alarm na yung phone mo and then pinatay mo tapos inalarm mo na naman bago ka, I think nag-snooze ako, nag-alarm ako ng mga 10 times bago ako tumayo, and that's bad, I know, and it makes me really really tired, pero I just can't help it talaga in the morning. When it's like in the evening, I would be like, oh, I will alarm an hour and a half before I will go, so I'll have a relaxing day preparing myself in the morning. Pero pag morning na guys, wag nag-alarm na, iniisip ko talaga, okay, I still got time, okay, snooze it for 15 minutes more, oh, snooze it for 10 minutes more, oh, this and that, and then at such time, you only got half an hour to prepare for yourself, and that half an hour, babae tayo, so it's, hindi yan, it's not a long time to prepare for yourself. Especially ako na yung buhok ko ay sobrang damage talaga and all. So, yun. And then, so wala na akong time gumawa ng coffee, minim ng coffee. I really wanted na, like I'm all dressed up already and I just sit down and have my coffee. Pero hindi ko talaga nagagawa. I'm just too, I don't know, ano bang tawag nun? Parang, nagpapanik na, I'm gonna be late. So, what Martin did, he actually bought a lot of, like 3 pieces of those on-the-go cup. So, he'll make coffee for me in the morning, and he normally drive me to work in the morning. So while I'm in the car, so doon ako nagkakape. Pero gusto ko talagang ma-change ang attitude na yan. Oy, na parang, like you wake up in good time and you prepare yourself and you're calm and you're relaxing and you're drinking your coffee and, preparing for the day, not like in a panic always. Baka magawa ko na siya next week. I hope so. Because, I get 2 days off and Monday is the start of a new week. So, baka magawa ko siya. I hope so. Dada na dada lang talaga ako today ba? So, yun guys. Ay, tapos na tayo sa chikahan. Tapos na rin ang aking coffee. So, yun. My God. So yun guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everybody's having a great time and staying safe. Ay, sana matapos na tong pandemic na ito. So yun guys, thank you so much and have a great day.